to meet someone named Jake Stiles. You him?
You got him.
Uh-huh.
See.
This isn't the kind of place I want to pick for a meeting.
That's why I picked him. What's the deal?
My client, Mr. Hastings, will provide evidence that Pacifico oil tankers, in addition to carrying oil, have been importing chemicals. Chemicals used to manufacture illegal drugs.
What does Mr. Hastings want in return?
Total immunity from prosecution and placement in the witness protection program.
Total immunity, huh?
Uh-huh.
That's a pretty tall order.
Hey, listen, you're getting a lot here. My client was chief accountant for Pacifico. He has invoices, shipping rosters, everything you need to deliver Pacifico on a silver platter.
Tell Mr. Hastings he'll have an answer by tomorrow. Okay?
Excellent.
Thanks for the beer.
So what's the word from HPD?
Well, the dead man was ID'd as Chucky Pallone. He and his brother Ben Pallone have a pretty good reputation as being hitmen. I'm betting that Ben's the one that got away.
Well, the question is, who commissioned the hit?
Could be anyone. Could be the guys at Pacifico who put the smuggling operation together. Maybe it's one of the customers who doesn't like his supply being cut off.
What about our missing witness, Hastings, the accountant? We don't even know how to contact this guy.
And he's probably heard about the hit on his lawyer. He's scared and hiding.
Mr. McCabe, there's a young woman here to see you.
I'm not expecting anyone, am I?
No, I know, sir, but she said it was important.
Oh, well, send her in.
Okay. Miss Jessica Stewart, Mr. McCabe.
Hello. These are my associates, Mr. Stiles and Mr. Mitchell.
Hello.
Now, what can I do for you?
Well, it's funny. I've been looking forward to this moment for so many years, and now that it's here, I don't quite know where to start.
Well, you just start with what brings you here, and we'll take it from there.
Do you remember a woman named Alexandra Stewart?
My God. 25 years ago, Los Angeles. I was desperately in love with her. Oh, my goodness. Are you a relative?
I'm her daughter.
Well, then, this indeed is an honor. After all these years, I didn't know she'd married.
She didn't.
Well, we're gonna go. Okay, we'll get back to you.
The truth is, Mr. McCabe, you're my father.
I think we definitely should
Yeah,
go.
yeah. We'll
I'd just as soon you stay. You have me at a disadvantage.
Well, she said that you two were about ready to break up when she found out she was pregnant. She thought about telling you, really, but she didn't want you to come back just because she was having a baby.
Well, that would have been the correct thing to do.
That's exactly what she thought you'd say. Anyway, she wanted to get on with her life and her own career. She didn't want to seem to be taking advantage of her situation. Look, I know this is a lot for you to handle right now, just out of the proverbial blue. A daughter you never knew you had just showing up one day is maybe not what you want. I'm going to be at this restaurant tomorrow. If you want to pursue this, you can meet me there. I'll tell you everything. you don't come, I understand. It was enough just to finally meet you after all these years.
I think I need to take a walk. A long walk.
PA's office.
This is Hastings. What the hell is going on down there?
What do you mean?
My lawyer gets blown away, and you ask me what I mean?
Could you hang on for a second?
I'm not going to give you time to trace this call. Now, I want a meeting.
Look, Stiles isn't here. My name's Derek Mitchell. I'm an assistant prosecuting attorney.
Well, that's even better. I know about you. I don't want Stiles. He was there when my lawyer got hit. I'm not making the same mistake twice. Now, it's you alone. The deal's off. You got it?
Okay, where and when?
Meet me at the warehouse on Pier 37 at 8 tonight.
Okay, got it.
What do you think?
I think I should have brought some more breadcrumbs.
Now, you know what I'm talking about.
Alexandra and I were involved once, many years ago. And then she left quite suddenly. Lost contact with her after a while.
It's possible she could be your daughter.
I don't know. But I'm gonna want more than her word for it. That's for damn sure.
Look, just let me make a few phone calls. I'll have Derek run some background checks. It's easy enough to do.
Thanks, Jake. Let me know what you find.
Sure.
But keep on that Hastings character, right?
You bet. Here.
Thanks, Jake.
It's not for you. It's for the pigeon. See you later.
Hello, anybody here?
That's far enough.
Mr. Hastings?
All good. Announce it to the world, why don't you?
What do you want me to call you? Bubba?
ID. I want to see some ID.
Look, I came like you asked. If you want something, spell it out.
My attorney give you a list of my demands?
Yes, we're working on it.
Oh, well, that's good. Because I got a couple of extras. I want 24-hour police protection. I want to keep my gun permit. And when I surrender, I want it to be to the feds, not the local cops. You got all that?
Look, I mean, you're here and I'm here. Why don't you just surrender now?
No, not without everything I asked for agreed to, in writing. I'm not stupid and I want to live. So if this deal isn't closed by tomorrow afternoon, hey, I'm out of here.
Mr. Hastings! Mr. Hastings! It's real skittish, isn't it?
Can't blame him. Makes a mistake, he's dead.
About his new demands.
Think we can make it work? Have to. I'll get down in the morning. Nice work, Bubba.
I take it this is the right table.
Yes. Please sit down.
Oh, thank you very much.
I didn't know whether you were coming or not.
Neither did I. Beautiful day, isn't it? Look, you've made a point of of trying to be honest with me. And now it's my turn. You're a very attractive young woman. And as much as it would please me to attribute that to good genes, I need more. I need you to answer some questions. I need...
Proof? I expected that. Okay, Mr. Prosecuting Attorney, fire away.
Okay. Where were you born?
Lawrence, Kansas, February 26, 1965.
What did Alexandra do for a living?
Registered nurse.
Where was she born?
Wilmington, Virginia.
Why didn't she tell me about you?
Well, I told you
Well,
before.
that was 25 years ago. Why the wait?
It got harder, not easier. She felt that if she told you when I was 5, you would have wanted to know why not the preceding 4 years, and on like that. After a while, she felt it was just better to let it go.
All right, the big one. Why now? And why didn't she come with you?
My mom, she passed away 6 weeks ago.
I'm so very sorry.
With my mom gone, you're the only family I have. It's my turn now. Your middle name is Lochinvar.
Oh, don't tell anybody that.
You like long walks. And you like meatloaf cooked to within an inch of its life. And 6 months before my mother left, you gave her this.
It was her birthday. I saved for 6 weeks to buy it for her. I was surprised she still had it.
Of course she still had it. You didn't ask me your last question.
I didn't say I had one.
You didn't have to. The answer's yes. She really loved you a lot. I don't think she ever stopped.
All right, I think we got the Hastings deal all set. I just got off the phone with the federal marshal's office. I'm going to meet with him this afternoon. We're going to coordinate the pickup. The other thing. Oh, what about the immunity? How we doing it?
Contingent upon what he brings us. If he has as much solid evidence as he says, there shouldn't be a problem.
All right, great.
You be careful. You shot Chunky Pallone. Brother Ben's gonna want to settle up.
Yeah, I know. I keep hearing that. Just curious, what happened with Jessica?
I don't know. My heart wants to believe it's true. Everything Jessica said makes sense, Jake. To tell you the truth, I wouldn't mind if she were my daughter. But I need to be sure.
Yeah. Oh, that reminds me. What about the information? You have it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is it, huh?
That's everything. She says she's staying at the Kaimuki Arms Hotel, working part-time as a window dresser at Marston's downtown.
Okay. All right, let me get on this right away. I'll tell you what I find, okay?
Jake?
What?
What if it's true? What if I have a second shot at being a father?
I'll get back to you on this. Hey.
How'd it go?
Well, we're gonna set the meet. I called the...
No, I mean with McCabe and the girl.
Oh. Well, here's the information I have on the woman, okay? This is what I got. What I need you to do is run it through the computer and see what happens, okay? Just see what pops up, right?
Sure hope she's for real.
What do you think?
I don't want to see him get hurt.
I hear you. Get on that as soon as you can, right? All right.
Your secretary said I could find you here.
Why did you lie to me? You don't live at the McCabe Hotel, and the sales department at Marston's has never heard of you.
I can explain.
How do you expect me to believe you when...
Please. Okay. I admit it. I don't live at that hotel, and I don't work at the department store. I live at the Chesterfield. One room, $30 a day. Only it's dirty, and you can't get away from the smell of diapers and cabbage, and I don't have a job. I spent every dollar I had just to come here to see you.
Why didn't you tell me?
Well, I figured I could get a job soon enough. I figured it would work out. And I didn't want to bother you. I didn't want you to think that I was just coming here to sponge off of you. I just wanted to do the right thing. Now it's all gone wrong. I'm sorry.
No, you don't have anything to apologize for.
Oh, I should have just told you the truth. I'm just too stubborn for my own good.
I'm used to it. You say Alexandra was the same way.
Yeah, it's Jake. Yeah, oh, look, Derek. I understand. Listen, I gotta get out of here. Yeah, I'm supposed to meet the marshals in about a half an hour. But, yeah, okay, I will. I'll call you when I get back. All right. Hang on. Yeah.
How dare you? Do you have any idea what you did to me?
Excuse me?
When you went into Marston's to check up on me, did you have any idea that I'd already applied for a job there? No. It looked like I might get it too until you went poking around. You think they're gonna hire somebody that the police are checking up on?
No,
Huh?
I guess not.
No, it's bad enough that you mess with my job when I could really use the money, and then you have to go and worry my father. Now look, I don't know why you don't like me, but if that's the way it is, I can live with it. But I don't ever want to see my father hurt like that again.
Then you and I have something in common, don't we?
Stop trying to ruin this for me. I have worked very hard for this. Can't you just give me a chance? I might even find out that you like me.
George, is this an official tale, or are you doing this on your own?
I'm off duty, Jake. I just thought I'd tag along. Hey, listen, do me a favor. When you go to pick up Hastings, how about letting me take your place? Because that's the time you're going to be a sitting duck.
You're a good man with a bad idea, George.
You know, sometimes you can be real stubborn.
I know, but I'm cute too, don't you think? Listen, I mean it, okay? Thanks, but no thanks. Hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yeah, I'm fine. A little shook up, that's all.
You're damn lucky.
Yeah, I know. Looks like somebody cut my brake line.
It's Ben Palone's first strike. It won't be the last. And you know he'll be laying in wait when you pick up Hastings.
You know. If he thinks this is gonna stop us, he's wrong.
One more thing, Jake.
Yeah.
I had a talk with Jessica.
Yeah, that makes two of us.
And you know she has an explanation for everything. I checked it out myself. She is registered where she said. Place is a rat hole. It's not safe.
You sound like her father.
Maybe I do. And maybe I am.
Derek?
Yeah.
Did you find out about Jessica?
I've cross-checked Jessica Stewart through Kansas, Virginia, every state in between. I got nothing.
She must have applied for a driver's license or a social security number somewhere.
I know. You'd think so, but I'll keep looking.
All right, look, also, I want you to run a check on Alexandra Stewart, okay? Do that for me, will you?
She's dead. What else do you need to know?
I don't know, but if you find anything, let me know, okay?
Jessica, what are you doing here?
I'm here to make you the best meal you've had in weeks. Can I come in, or do I have to stand out here till my arms fall off?
Oh, yes, come in. I'm sorry. Yes, here, let me take it.
Kitchen?
Yeah, straight and then to the left.
Right.
That was absolutely excellent.
Thanks. I wanted everything to be just right.
Uh,
It's such a wonderful home. I feel so comfortable here. Just like a home should feel.
oh, thank you very much. I just wish you didn't have to go back to that rat hole of a room.
I don't.
You found a better place?
Yeah. Here.
Oh, no, I'm not sure that,
No, it'll be perfect. You'll see. I'll stay here, and you won't even know I'm here. I won't take up that much room. I'll cook for you, and I can look out for you, and I can come visit you in the office. And
Jessica, wait. Look, I appreciate your coming here to cook for me. That was a very nice thing for you to do. I just don't think it would be a very good idea, that's all.
But I don't understand. I came all this way just to be with you.
Jessica, you have to listen to me.
No, I won't listen. I won't.
Jessica.
No.
Jessica!
Just give me a minute.
Jessica, I don't mean to upset you, but can't we just talk?
Okay, sure. I'll just make us some coffee.
That sounds great.
Time for coffee.
Oh. You know, Jessica, I should explain.
No explanation necessary. I'm really sorry. I don't know what got into me. I guess it was just the stress of the last couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm just gonna have my coffee and I'll be on my way.
All right. Just as long as you know that I do appreciate this. And I didn't want to upset you.
I know. Good?
Oh, that's strong. But just the way I love it. Thank you.
I'm here to take care of you now. It's all right, I understand. It's not your fault. It's the rest of them. They're against us. They don't want us to be together. They poisoned your mind. We're gonna be together again, Daddy. Just the two of us. Nothing's gonna come between us now. I won't let them take you away from me again. We're gonna be together forever.
All right, Jake. All units are in position.
What time is it? 6 a.m.
Here's your witness, Jake. Look alive.
Stay down, huh? All right, huh? You stay right here.
You're probably thirsty, aren't you? Here, drink this. It's the Thorazine. It does that.
Thank you. Why?
Oh, I don't need Thorazine anymore. No, they said I had to take it so I could help see reality better, but you're the one who needs it now. I see everything just fine. We're gonna be together. They tried to stop me before. They told me it was all my fault and they put me in that bad place. But I knew that you were out here just waiting for me to join you. They got to you first, didn't they?
Oh.
The gray men. They have eyes of fire. Lots of iron, eyes of fire, lots of iron, eyes of fire, lots of fire. I see them. No, they think I don't, but I do. And they're whispering all the time. They're whispering on the phones and on the radio, and I hear them. I know they made me take the Thorazine. They tried to make me believe their lies. But they can't hurt us anymore. Take some of these, you'll feel better.
No, I don't want to.
Daddy.
You've got to listen to me.
Daddy.
I'm not your daddy.
Don't say that. Don't you ever say that. You are my daddy. You have to be my daddy. My mommy came and she told me she was disguised as a nurse, but I knew it was her, and she showed me your picture, and it was you. Now there's you, and there's me. There's the gray man. Did they whisper to you? Did you listen to them? Are you one of them? Are you one of the gray men?
No.
Then you're my daddy. Don't you see how simple it is? How logical? Now, take these.
work, but you're not. Where are you? We picked up Hastings and we got Ben Pallone. I thought you'd be here. So give me a call when you get in, okay? Bye.
Let's try not to get too messy here. Are you okay?
Fine.
Good. I didn't know how much Thursing to give you, so I put some in your orange juice, too, just in case there wasn't enough in the pills. I learned that in the bad place. He's one of them, you know. Jake. Have you seen his eyes? He's one of the gray men. I know it. Well, I'm not gonna let him take you away from me. I'll make sure of that. We got to my mommy. She tried to stop me, but I ran away. I ran to you. And they're not gonna separate us again.
Yes, sir. I've got it. Yes. Okay, I'll get back to you.
Lizzie, where is jail? Why isn't he here?
Oh, he's out sick today. The flu.
Jake. George, look, hey, stop playing watchdog, okay? We pulled in the witness. Pallone is in custody. Everything is fine, okay?
Yeah, I heard. Actually, I'm here for a different reason.
All right, what?
I found a pool of brake fluid where your car was parked at the marshal's office.
Pallone wouldn't cut the brake line there. It's too risky.
Well, that's what I figured. So I went out to your house, and I found another pool of brake fluid there. Forensics ID'd both of them. Your car.
You saying he cut the line at my house?
Pretty bold move, I'd say.
Wait a minute. No, Jessica was at my house. She was at my house. She was at... Lizzie, listen, when jail called, what'd he say?
I didn't talk to him. Jessica called. She's at his house taking care of him.
Derek. Yo. I'm going to jail. You get anything on Jessica or Alexandra Stewart, you call me right away. Got it?
Okay.
You shouldn't be trying to stand, Daddy. You're sick.
You've got to listen to me. You need help. Let me help you.
You've done enough for me already. I'll take care of you now. You just rest. I'm going to protect you. I'm not going to let them take you away from me again. I'm not going to let them take you to that bad place. It's better to die than go back to that place. It is better to die. We're going to be together forever, Daddy.
Yes, dial.
Jake, I just got a fax. We've got trouble.
What trouble?
Alexandra Stewart isn't dead. She's a nurse, all right, in a psychiatric hospital. A week ago, she was knifed. She's been in and out of a coma. The woman who attacked her was named Jessica Weaver. She escaped. Listen to this. Jessica Weaver, institutionalized by the state of New Jersey after being found not guilty by reason of insanity for the murder of her father.
That's why we came up empty on Jessica Stewart. She's really Jessica Weaver.
Just one of the same.
All right, listen, roll HPD. I'm on my way to JL's house. I want him there as soon as possible. Hear me?
Look at me. Look at me. You okay?
Don't! I said no!
All right, why don't you just put the gun down, okay?
No, I won't. I know why you're here, and I'm not going to let you take
Wait,
him.
no. Hey, I'm here to help you. I'm not here to hurt you, honest to God.
You're a liar, and I know what to do with liars.
Jessica! No, Jake. No, wait. Put the gun down, Jessica.
No.
You don't want to hurt me, do you?
No, I don't want to, but I have to.
No. Give me the gun, Jessica.
No, I don't want them to take you away from me.
Here, just hand it to me.
You're one of them, aren't you? Yes, you're one of them.
That's not true, Jessica. I won't let them hurt you, Jessica. It's gonna be all right. It'll be all right.
I mean, please don't let them take me back there. Please don't let them hurt me. I don't want to go back to that place. Please don't let them take me back there. Please, Daddy.
You're gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be fine.
She's been in and out of hospitals for most of her adolescence. Then her folks got a divorce. She lost control. Didn't want her father to leave. That's when she killed him.
How does Alexandra figure in?
She found that by just talking to Jessica would help calm her. She told Jessica about you. It was all innocent, but soon Jessica fixated on you as her father.
Can I see Jessica?
She's sedated, not dangerous.
Just for a minute. How you doing, huh? I didn't think you'd mind if I sat down with you. Okay?
They told me. They told me that you're not my father.
I'm afraid they're right.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just didn't want to be alone anymore. They say the most terrible things about me here.
No, it's okay.
You must hate me too. Everybody does.
That's why I came here. I wanted you to know that I do not hate you. I'll talk to your doctor. I'll tell him it's okay for you to write me every once in a while. The unfortunate thing is there's a catch. You have to take the medication they give you. You have to try as hard as you can to get well. Now, they're right. I'm not your father, Jessica, but for as long as you try, I mean, really try to get better, I swear, you won't be alone again. The deal?
Deal.
Good girl. That's a good girl. Yes, indeed. Despite the maneuvers and challenges by the defense, the state will show that there is probable cause, that the defendant committed the murder of his wife, Caroline Carmichael.
Probable cause will be difficult, Your Honor, inasmuch as the medical examiner's autopsy was inconclusive.
Bruises found on the deceased's neck indicate force might have been used to either subdue her or force her underwater. In the course of the trial and after further consultation with forensic experts, we believe we can support the charge of murder. We have witnesses who will confirm the defendant's hostility toward his wife and his desire to be rid of her.
It appears that the prosecution is armed to the teeth with hearsay.
I would remind defense that this is a preliminary hearing. Hearsay is admissible.
Lab analysis verifies that footprints found by the poolside match the defendant's shoes. We have reason to believe he was in the area at or near the time of death. There was motive, and we believe that we can clearly establish method as well.
Rebuttal, Your Honor. The so-called evidence of the prosecution is nothing more than gossamer. And like gossamer, it falls apart when confronted by hard facts. Your Honor, I've just been informed that we have a new witness who will testify that the defendant was nowhere near his residence at the time in question, that Dr. Carmichael was, in fact, 30 miles away at the time of his wife's unfortunate death. And, Ms. Champlin, please tell the court, for the record, what do you do for a living?
I was Mrs. Carmichael's personal assistant. I handled all her appointments and correspondence. I lived in a wing of the house.
Please tell the court where Dr. Carmichael was at 10:25 a.m. on the day in question, at the time of his wife's death.
He was with me.
More specifically, please, where?
We were at the Koali Arms Hotel.
I see. And what were you doing there?
I believe the term is having an affair.
Why didn't you come forward sooner?
Alan, Dr. Carmichael told me not to. I believe he was trying to protect my reputation. But I couldn't sit back any longer. He would never hurt Mrs. Carmichael. And he couldn't have because he was with me.
Oh, man, I was gonna scare you, man. You blew it. How's it going? You miss me, huh?
Yeah.
What's up?
You up to speed on the Carmichael case?
Well, not really. I just got back in town. I haven't heard the latest. What?
Bad news. We checked out the guy's alibi. She did rent a room at the hotel that day, and a clerk there thinks he saw Carmichael. Thinks. He's not sure. It was just enough to hurt the case and get the judge wondering whether we have enough evidence to go to trial. You know, the guy already has an alibi.
Yeah.
So McCabe withdrew the charges.
He withdrew the charges?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so that's why this place looks like a funeral in here, huh?
He's not a happy man. He wants to see you the minute you get in.
All right.
Oh, Jake, go back.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, there you are. Get in here and shut the door.
I'm very tired. I just spent 6 hours on a plane. If you're gonna yell, I'm leaving.
I'm glad to see you, Jake. No, open the door just a bit, just for a second. When I need my chief investigator the most, where the hell is he? Out of town, that's where.
I was investigating the Paloma kidnapping. You sent me, and why the hell are we yelling? What's going on?
I really got him going, huh? Look out there.
You need a hobby. Need to golf, needlepoint, pottery, something. I think it'd be healthy for you.
Sit down, sit down.
Okay. Seem pretty happy for a guy who just withdrew a case. What's going on?
I am. They snookered me, but now it's my shot.
What do you mean?
I don't trust that perfect alibi last second. It's too bad. But it occurred to me as I was sitting here contemplating my place in the universe that you were out of town. They don't know about you, Jake.
It's true. Want me to poke around?
Materialize in their lives. Carmichael sat in court with a damn smirk on his face, daring me to crack his perfect alibi. He's a murderer. I know it. He knows it. Get me the evidence I need to go back into court and refile murder charges. I want to nail the SOB.
But, Mr. Morris, why should I accept a new chauffeur when I'm perfectly happy with the one I've got?
I mean, I don't understand. I mean, Mark was always so reliable. Listen, the worst day he could have picked a drop out of me.
Well, I don't know all the details, sir, but Mr. Sinclair told me to get here as soon as possible.
But it's strange. I mean, it's not like Mr. Sinclair to call me without more notice.
Well, I hope you understand it's a matter of company policy.
Look, I don't care about your policy. If you know something, you tell me, or I'll find someone else who will.
Okay. All I know, sir, is it has something to do with some heavy-duty traffic violations. He lost his license about a month ago and didn't tell Mr. Sinclair, so that's what happened.
Okay. How long have you been chauffeuring, Hank?
3 years, sir. All my credentials are right there in the letter, I believe.
So, what would happen if I called to verify these references? Would that be all right?
Yes, sir. That's totally up to you.
All right. We'll give you a 2-week trial run. You'll stay in the extra suite in the West Wing. You don't perform, you are out. Does that suit you?
That's fine with me, sir.
Oh, and one more thing. Anything and everything that goes on in this house is confidential. This house has been through a terrible loss lately, and our privacy has been violated enough as it is. Nothing leaves these 4 walls. Am I clear?
Completely.
Alan?
Leah.
This is Hank Morris, the new chauffeur.
Mr. Morris?
I want you to go and pick up this man, Bring him back to the house.
Yes, sir.
Miss Sondergaard, show Mr. Morris the way to the garage.
Follow me, please.
Okay. Thank you again.
They're waiting for you in the back, sir. Mr. Morris, they want you too, please.
And do you, Alan James Carmichael, take this woman as your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, till death do you part?
I do.
Then by the power vested in me by the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you man and wife.
What have you got?
I got trouble. Carmichael and Leah got married about an hour ago. I was their witness.
Oh, God, so much for mourning, huh? The Queen is dead. Long live the King.
It was a quiet, simple little ceremony. Very smart. Wife can't testify against her husband. I think he's taking out some insurance.
Yeah, good chance.
So, what did Derek find out about the will? Anything?
About what we expected. Carmichael's wife brought a substantial inheritance to the marriage. With her passing, it goes to him, so it's a little over $5 million in it.
Not bad for a weekend's work.
You got that right. Anything else on your end?
Yeah, I gotta pick him up in about a half hour. I'm gonna see what I can find out at his office. This guy's working on his wedding day.
Some honeymoon. You know, this whole thing stinks, Jake.
Yeah.
You be careful.
I won't.
Thank you.
office, sir?
No, in a minute. Look, drive around the mall slowly.
Yes, sir.
Stop right here. Stop. All right, on to the office.
Dr. Carmichael, we had a cancellation at 4 with Mr. Castle, and Mrs. Como's already waiting inside.
What?
Well, you were running late, so I just thought...
You don't think you do what you're told. I do not want patients wandering around the office by themselves. Is that clear?
Well, I just thought...
Is that clear?
Yes, Doctor. What happened? The old driver quit?
Yeah. My name's Hank Morris.
Sarah Fox. Nice to meet you, Hank.
Thank you.
I'll have Lynette show you where you can wait until Dr. Carmichael needs you.
Sure.
If you're lucky, it won't be for a while.
She always like this?
Always. He's a very precise man. Likes everything just so. If something's out of order or someone's not where he's supposed to be, look out. Lynette, this is Hank Morris.
Hi.
Hi, Lynette. How are you?
Just fine.
Make him comfortable, okay?
Okay. Can you read?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can read.
Oh, tea leaves. I can.
Oh, really? Well, somehow that doesn't surprise me.
I can read the bumps on your head, too. Do you want me to read yours for you?
No. No, maybe we could do that some other time. What about, Dr. Carmichael? You ever, read the bumps on his head?
Yes. Okay. I understand. Mrs. Carmichael called. She's finished shopping, and you're supposed to pick her up at Mason's downtown in about 20 minutes.
No, I gotta move then. Okay, thank you.
Congratulations. Should I say best wishes?
I beg your pardon?
I never know which one to say to the bride and which one to say to the groom. I think it's best wishes. I'm not sure.
Thank you, Hank. That's very sweet of you.
Is it okay to talk? I know some clients say they don't allow it. Makes them feel a little awkward talking to a chauffeur.
Well, actually, being a client makes me feel a little awkward. You know, riding in the back.
Well, you're the boss. You can pretty much ride wherever you want.
Stop the car, Hank. I used to come here all the time when I was a little girl.
Oh, yeah?
The ocean was so big and powerful. I always felt so safe, so happy.
You're a new bride. You got a big mansion. You got your own limousine. You got your own chauffeur. You must be pretty happy, huh? Did I say something wrong?
I'm just so scared.
Of me?
No. I saw you following me this morning. He's always following me, watching me. He's jealous, you know, insanely jealous. Everywhere I go, everyone I talk to, have lunch with, play tennis with, he knows. It's as though I've been bought. Or he's afraid he's gonna lose me. It's just not right.
Why did you marry him?
I don't know.
Maybe it's me. I've gone to men like him my whole life.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe it's because I feel that that's all I'm worth. You can get used to that kind of feeling sometimes, Hank. You can.
Any problems getting Leah home?
No, sir.
Mm-hmm. Just curious. Tried to get you on the car phone twice. You weren't in it.
She had a lot of packages to carry in and out, sir. Plus, we stopped at a few more stores on the way back home.
Needed to run some errands. Had to take a cab.
Sorry, sir.
Here, let me help you with that. Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Good.
So, tell me, are you always this friendly, Mr. Morris?
Miss Sondergaard, I'm the new kid on the block here. See, you've been around. You know the ropes better than I do. So, how long you been with the doctor, anyway?
I've been with Dr. Carmichael for 12 years now.
Yeah, well, I've been with a guy one day, and it's his wedding night. So I don't think he's going to be telling me much tonight, know what I mean?
Well, just what is it that you wish to know, Mr. Morris?
Oh, nothing in particular. Just, I like to know my clients on a personal level. It just helps me.
Well, getting personal with Dr. Carmichael is something that he seldom allows.
Yeah, I know. It's the rumor, anyway.
Rumor?
A couple guys down at the limousine service, they were talking about Dr. Carmichael and his first wife.
What'd they say?
See, the rumor is that he's whacked her around a couple times. Now, I'm not saying that's true. I'm just saying that's what I heard.
Well, the late Mrs. Carmichael was not perfect.
Oh.
Good night, Mr. Morris.
Good night.
No, I will not stop. I know exactly what you're I promise you I will find the truth. I want to know.
So was anything taken?
No, sir, not that I can tell.
Oh, then the only crime is entry, and this is my house, correct?
Yes, sir, it is your house.
Look, I've had enough trouble with the police lately. I won't have them around. They didn't bother the main house because the alarm system is too good. That's all that matters. Bring the car around in 15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Hank. In here. I heard what happened. You know who did it, don't you?
I got a pretty good idea, yeah.
Last night he was furious.
Why?
He couldn't reach us on the car phone, and he insinuated all kinds of crazy things.
We didn't do anything.
I tried to explain, but he believes what he wants to believe, and he believes that you and I...
I'll talk to him.
No, I don't want you getting involved in this.
I already am involved.
Oh, God. I'm sorry. I just don't want to see another innocent person get hurt.
Excuse me, Mrs. Carmichael. You said you wanted to see me?
Yes, of course.
Damn him.
You look like you could use this more than me.
Is it 100 proof?
No, it's herb tea, actually.
Pass. Damn, he makes me mad. I never know what to do to make him happy.
He's a perfectionist, huh?
Yeah, do it his way or else.
Yeah. What did you do your way?
I was doing an inventory on the slips.
Slips?
The medical slips. What we use to keep drugs stocked here at the office. He's meticulous. He keeps receipts on everything. Dated, sequentially numbered.
Yeah, I got a feeling he's going to ask me to color code his toolkit any day now.
Just don't lose any.
Is that what you did? You lost some medical slips?
Well, a couple are missing, but I didn't lose them. I just mentioned it to him, and he blows up at me. Tells me to mind my own damn business and leave his precious files alone. Well, fine. From now on, I just answer the phone around here.
Jake, are you sure about this?
Sure, no problem.
I don't like this, Jake. This could be considered breaking and entering.
We're not breaking anything, we're just entering.
It's a stretch, and you know it.
You're the attorney, I'm just the chauffeur.
Over there.
Files over here, come on.
Okay, if we're just entering and we get caught, what do we say?
Look, I left my hat here today. We get caught, I just tell them I came back to get my hat.
Terrific. That's terrific. What about me?
Tell them I never saw you before in my life.
Come on, Jake, this isn't funny. You know, we should have gotten a search warrant. We shouldn't even be here.
Oh, come on. Let Carmichael know that we're investigating him? I don't think so. Just start looking through the files. Come on.
What am I looking for?
Purchasing orders for some medical supplies. They should all be in numerical order.
Medical supplies. What number? What number?
The one that's not there. Secretary said that there were some slips missing or something like that. Carmichael making a big deal about it, and I just want to know why, that's all.
Ah! I got something. There's a gap between 11.535 and 11.537.
They say you order everything from the same pharmaceutical company?
No, it looks like there's 4 or 5 different ones.
All right, just write down the names of the companies. Let's get out of here. Come on, Come on, let's go. Okay. We're going to jail at this rate, you know.
Just hold on, I'm trying as fast as I can.
Got it?
Yeah.
Come on, just put it back in. Put it back in.
You know, I hate this. I really hate this.
We're together. Just think of it as quality time. Come on. Knock, knock.
Hi.
Hey, what's with the lights? You saving on the electric bill or what?
Max is sleeping. Don't sit on him.
He's been sleeping for 3 years. I think I'd check his pulse.
You insult my dog at your peril, sir. What do you got on the Carmichael?
Well, a tour of his office was successful. I've got Derek checking up on his medical business right now. Seems that everybody that worked for this guy hates him.
The wife?
She's scared, you know.
He's the jealous type. Likes to beat her up.
The deceased Mrs. Carmichael was beaten before she died.
Yeah, and Leah's terrified he's gonna hurt her.
Leah? A first-name basis with a chauffeur?
Talk, we got along.
Yeah, she's a beautiful woman.
The married woman.
Don't get involved with her.
Seen the bruises on her back. A guy slaps a woman around, it's hard not to get involved, you know.
If she alibied for Carmichael, she's in this just as deep as he is.
That's he's forcing her. I'm hoping that she's innocent.
Make sure of that, Jake.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get back. Gonna go home tonight or what?
Yeah, soon.
I'm out of here.
See you, buddy.
I'll talk to you later, right?
Yeah. Good night, Jake.
Good night.
Yeah, hello.
Hank, you've got to help me, please. Alan's got a gun. I think he's going to kill me.
Where are you?
Hurry,
Leah?
I heard the news. You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. It's been a long night,
Okay,
but I'm
well,
okay.
He asked me to send you writing as soon as you arrived.
Close the door, Jake.
Sure.
Thank you. Jake, this is Inspector Jameson from Internal Affairs.
How you doing?
I'm okay. How you doing?
Good. Sit down.
Sure.
I've been assigned to your case, and a few questions have come up about last night. Hope you won't mind providing a few answers.
No, not at all. It's fine.
Mind if I record this?
Go right ahead. It's okay.
Before I begin, do you have anything you'd like to say?
I had to kill a man last night. It's unfortunate. Self-defense. But I guess you and I are going to talk about that, aren't we?
Well, we got to talk about it. Please describe the nature of your relationship with Leah Carmichael.
Okay. She was a part of a case that I was investigating.
That's all?
Yeah.
No emotional involvement?
None, no.
I got a vendor says he saw you two together at the beach.
Yes, well, the lady asked me to drive her there. She wanted to go for a walk.
Well, he'll testify that you were walking pretty close together.
Wait a minute. What I said before...
Also,
Well,
there's...
could I just finish?
Yeah, go ahead. Sure.
Okay. Lady asked me to drive her to the beach. She wanted to go for a walk, and we were in broad daylight. Nothing happened, so I'm confused as to where you're going with this.
Well, also, there's Miss Sondergaard at Carmichael House. She says she found you and the lady in a clinch.
The lady was upset. She held on to me, that's what.
Well, my job says, you know, I got to walk in and look at all the possible angles.
What other angle can there be, Inspector?
You got involved with the lady. So maybe you wanted her husband out of the way. You took a shot at him. Killed him. Jealousy. It's been a motive since day one.
It was dark. The man shot at me first. I shot back. Now, that's what happened.
Jake was in the situation as a direct result of my assigning him to the case. Dr. Carmichael's death was unfortunate, but it was also self-defense.
I hope the investigation bears that out.
what's the drill?
First, you're on suspension.
Figured that.
Turn over your weapon. Have anything else to say at this time?
I don't think so. I believe that's all I'm going to say at this point.
We'll be in touch.
Hi. Can I come in? Thanks.
Are you a chauffeur or an investigator?
I'm an investigator.
I trusted you, you know. Confided in you. I liked Hank Morris a lot. And I thought he just might like me.
He did. Yeah, you okay?
A little numb, maybe, but probably better off for it. I think that Ellen would have killed me sooner or later. How about you? You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm okay. But listen. I really need your help. I need you to testify for me.
Testify? No one's pressed charges.
The state can prosecute in a case like this, and that's exactly what they're going to do to me. Do you understand?
I can't believe that, though, because Ellen tried to kill you.
I know that. Look, I want you to get on a stand and say just that. Just tell them the truth. That's all you have to do.
Yes. Yes, of course I'll testify. I'll tell them the truth.
And would you please describe what you saw when you entered the room?
Well, it's difficult to say. I only saw them for a moment.
How would you describe their attitudes? Did they seem close?
Objection, Your Honor. Prosecution is asking the witness to speculate.
Sustained. Continue.
Please describe how Mr. Stiles was standing in relation to the woman, as objectively as you can.
They were standing very close together. He seemed to be holding her.
Seemed to be, or was?
He was holding her.
And when they saw you,
They moved apart, suddenly.
as though guilty at being caught?
Objection.
Sustained.
No further questions, Your Honor. The state calls Leah Carmichael. Mrs. Carmichael, would you tell us, in your own words, what happened on the night your husband was shot?
Yes. Mr. Stiles, whom I knew to be Hank Morris, had become increasingly curious about my husband's business dealings. And he became more and more attentive towards me. At first, I was flattered. But he had become more persistent about his... I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is difficult about his desires.
It's a lie, Your Honor.
Mr.
That is a lie. What you just said is a
Stiles,
lie.
any more outbursts, and I'll have to have you removed from the courtroom.
Are you saying that Jake Stiles was suggesting that you have an affair?
Yes, those were his intentions. He made them quite clear.
And what were your intentions?
I had none. I had told Mr. Stiles that I loved my husband. I didn't know how to handle it. I didn't. He was an angry and violent man, and I was frightened of him. He told me he was going to find a way for us to be together. It was at that point that I was going to tell my husband. But that night, he came into our home. Ellen heard something. He thought it was an intruder, and the next thing I knew, Jake Stiles had shot him.
Why haven't you told anyone about this until now?
I was terrified. He had threatened me. He told me that if I didn't testify that it was an accident, that he was a cop and that he could arrange for my accident as well.
Mrs. Carmichael, you are now the sole beneficiary of your late husband's estate. Is that correct?
Well, yes, that's correct, I suppose.
Yes, about $5 million worth, I believe.
I'm really not sure.
An estate obtained by the deceased Dr. Carmichael through the death of his own wife, and for which you were his sole alibi.
I really don't see what this has anything
A
to do
yes
with...
or no will suffice.
Yes, I believe that Jake Stiles wanted me for my money.
Yes, I'm certain you'd like to have all of us believe that.
Mr. McCabe, would you be kind enough to explain this line of questioning, please?
Laying foundation, Your Honor. It will become clear in a moment. Mrs. Carmichael, do you recognize this?
No.
It contains... No, correction. It contained curare. Perhaps you've heard of it. It's a nerve poison. Shuts down the lungs, slows the reactions.
Mrs. Carmichael wasn't poisoned. She drowned.
She drowned after someone injected her with curare, enough to slow her reflexes so she couldn't swim and save herself. Your Honor, here is an updated coroner's report on the late Mrs. Carmichael. The body was exhumed, revealing an injection hole just under the hairline. Testing has revealed trace elements of curare. Now, once we knew what to look for, we were able to find traces overlooked in the first autopsy. This is how we knew what to look for. Our investigator, Mr. Jake Stiles, located records indicating that Dr. Carmichael had ordered curare in secret for the very purpose of murdering his wife, with the cooperation of Leah Carmichael.
Your Honor, please, please don't make me sit here and listen to this.
Mr. McCabe, these are serious allegations. Now, are you prepared to substantiate them?
I am, Your Honor. Mr. Orwell, will you stand, please? Your Honor, this gentleman standing here is a messenger with Detilio Pharmaceuticals. They handle hazardous chemicals like curare. He is prepared to give sworn testimony that he delivered a container of curare to a woman who could not sign the receipt because she had a cast on her wrist. These are the copies of your medical records, Mrs. Carmichael. It seems you had an unfortunate slip on the tennis court. You fractured your right wrist when you fell. A cast was placed on that wrist. Coincidentally, it was Dr. Carmichael himself who applied the cast to your wrist. Mr. Orwell, could you identify the woman who received that curare from you?
That's her. Who could forget that face?
Let the record show that Mr. Orwell is pointing to Leah Carmichael. Now, Mrs. Carmichael, let me draw for you a scenario of greed and murder. Alan Carmichael murdered his wife with your help. And then you provided him with an alibi, but then you decided you wanted all the money for yourself. So you entrapped Jake Stiles, set up Carmichael hoping he would be killed, and now there is no one to alibi for you, is there? Your Honor, based upon this evidence, the state will bring formal charges against Leah Carmichael in the belief that we can prove complicity in the death of Carolyn Carmichael, conspiracy in the death of Dr. Carmichael, as well as perjury.
So ruled. Bailiff, you will arrest Mrs. Carmichael pending trial.
I also move that the charge against Jake Stiles be dropped.
All charges against Mr. Stiles are hereby dismissed.
Good going.
Thank you.
Under the wires where the city hums low, whispers of secrets only shadows know. Flickering lights paint the walls in gold, a story untold, a future unfolds. Neon dreams call my name through the haze, lost in the rhythm of the endless maze. Echoes of silence, a code to decode, a dance in the dark, a path yet to be shown.
Oh, sit easy. Help me with Daryl, will you, honey?
I'm sorry I got sick, Grandma.
That's okay. As soon as you're feeling better, I promise we'll take you on that boat ride, okay? That's a good boy.
Help me! My God, help me!
Gerald! What happened?
They stabbed me!
Where's Alicia?
I tried to get to her. There was nothing I could do. They jumped me. They jumped me and stabbed me. I couldn't save her. Oh, God.
What are you saying? Where's my daughter?
They killed her. God help me. She's dead.
No, that can't be true. Alicia!
My kids, I gotta stay. No, let me go. Let me go. I want to stay with my kids. I have to get you to the hospital. Please, no. No. Please, let me stay.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen. Hi, Jake.
What the hell happened in here, George?
We got an Alicia Donnelly. Multiple stab wounds. Husband, Gerald. Stab wounds, contusions, lacerations to the forehead. He made it, she didn't. The murder weapon was a carving knife, probably from that drawer.
Calling card?
He said it was a gang. After they killed her, one of them stuck his finger in her blood and started painting.
Did he say how many there were?
Yeah, 3.
What was this guy doing while these guys were killing his wife?
He was pretty incoherent, Jake. It's not easy to piece together.
Did the kids see any of this?
No. No, thank God. A mother, a father, a couple of nice grandparents, a beautiful home. Now look.
Gang graffiti's like a signature. I want to know which one it was by the end of the day, George.
You got it, Jake.
Hi there.
My name is Jake Stiles. I'm in the PA's office. Can you tell me where Gerald Donnelly's room is, please?
Room 203.
203. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Excuse me, Mr. Stiles.
Uh-huh.
I'm Dr. Carrie Donovan. I spoke to Mr. McCabe earlier. He said you'd be here at the hospital.
Yeah, what can I do for you, Doctor?
Do you have any leads about who killed Alicia Donnelly?
Well, we're working on that right now. Did you know her?
Yeah. I was her doctor. I delivered her little girl.
Oh, I see.
We were great friends. I can't believe all this has happened.
When you saw her last, did she seem to be worried or upset about anything?
No.
How about the marriage? Does that seem to be okay?
Well, they had their ups and downs.
Yeah.
I'm just glad the kids have Alicia's parents to look out after them. If you have any information, if you could call me, I'd be glad to help in any way I can.
Thank you. That's very nice. I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you understand these rights as I read them to you?
Yes, but why are you reading me my rights? I thought I was supposed to be the victim.
Before we can question you, we have to advise you of your rights.
Mr. Donnelly, my name is Jake Stiles. I'm with the PA's office. Sorry to hear about your wife.
I know this is difficult, but can you try to tell us exactly what happened?
We're in the kitchen, talking about our trip.
What trip was that?
Jamaican cruise. She was so excited, so happy. We were making plans. Then all of a sudden, they were just there, with their red bandanas and their filthy mouths.
How did they get in?
Back door must have been open. They said they wanted money. I gave them everything I had. And one of them grabbed Alicia. I went for him, but the other guy took a knife out of the drawer and he started stabbing me. I tried to fight, but the third guy grabbed me around the neck.
Your wife suffered a very brutal attack. And you seem to have gotten away with just some superficial cuts. I was noticing your hands. You don't even have any defense wounds on your hands.
Well, she wasn't moving. They were holding her down. I was fighting and struggling all the time.
So they held her down, they held you back, right? How many did you say there were?
3, I told you, 3. After they left, I tried to pull the knife out.
Forensics checked that knife. Your fingerprints were all over it.
Well, I told you that. I said I touched it.
I know, but your prints were not only in the pull-out position, which would be upward. They were in the attack of the downward position as well.
We had the graffiti on your wall checked out by an expert. It doesn't belong to any gang that we know of here on the island.
Doesn't make much sense, does it?
What are you talking about? I've told you everything.
I don't think there ever was a gang. I think you killed your wife.
Me? How can you even... I loved her!
There hasn't been one thing that's checked out about your story at all.
I am telling you the truth!
No, you're not. All you've done is tell us one lie after another.
I want to see my lawyer.
Jason McCabe. I knew I'd run into you again someday.
Vincent?
I look forward to climbing into the ring with you again. It's not often I get to match wits with such a worthy opponent.
And I never believed that a court of law was a sport played in a ring.
Oh, well, it is. It is, my friend. It's a gladiator sport with very high stakes, where the rules change every day and the best offense wins.
Oh, I understand how you justify your courtroom shenanigans. What I don't understand is how you justify betraying your friends.
I'll see you in court.
Yes, you will.
Close personal friend?
He used to be. I guess we're all lucky he decided to become an attorney.
Why's that?
If he weren't, he'd be a sociopath. He has no conscience. And that, my friends, makes a man dangerous. Let's go.
State of Hawaii versus Gerald Donnelly.
Let the record show that the state is represented by prosecuting attorney Jason McCabe, and the defendant is present with his attorney Vincent Novak. Will you waive the reading of the complaint?
Yes, Your Honor.
Very well. Mr. Donnelly, you are charged with murder in the second degree, and how do you plead?
Your Honor, my client pleads not guilty by reason of insanity.
Insanity?
Very well, so entered. Mr. Novak, because of...
Oh, it's one of his favorite defenses. And Derek, I promise you, by the time Novak finishes weaving his spell, you'll start to believe him. And so will the jury.
Well, I'll be talking to the rest of the Donnelly's neighbors. You've been a tremendous help, Mr. Nelson.
Well, thank you. I assume you'll be wanting me to testify.
Definitely. As soon as the trial date is set, I'll call you. I know that I speak for my client when I say that we appreciate what you're doing. Not only for Gerald, but for those poor children.
I'm happy to be of help.
Excuse me. I'm Vincent Novak, Gerald's attorney. I wonder if I could speak with you for a moment.
Delia Rutherford.
How do you do?
Mr. Novak, I've known that man for years. It's hard to believe that he's some crazed murderer.
Well, what you must know is that whatever Gerald did, he was not responsible. For a split second, he literally lost all control. I'm here to help him. And those unfortunate children. You know them, don't you?
Of course. My husband and I, we haven't been able to have children. I guess we kind of adopted theirs.
They've suffered so much. We can't bring their mother back, but we can do something for their father. They need you, Delia. Those little children need your help.
Tell me what I can do. Please, come in.
The whole thing was pretty gruesome, you know.
This guy must have gone nuts.
Yeah, well, after a couple perfect marriages, and then he goes and stabs you to death.
Could have been drugs.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Go check the den that's at the end of the hallway, okay? I'll look in here. What the hell are you doing here?
I might ask you gentlemen the same question. What business do you have here?
Can I help you?
Why are you in my client's home, Mr. Stiles?
Hey, pal, maybe you want me to show you the door, huh?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah. Mr. Novak, you better put a leash on this guy. He can be thrown in jail for threatening a peace officer, and you know it.
This is a warrant. Can you read? You want me to read it for you?
No, that won't be necessary. I think, under the circumstances, perhaps it would be best if we left.
Good idea. All right, let's start looking.
I don't even know what I'm looking for, Jake.
I don't either, but when we find it, we'll know, okay? Just start looking.
You mind if I join you?
Yes, I do. I come here because it's quiet and no one bothers me.
Well, then I'll just sit for a minute.
What the hell do you want?
Still about Paul, isn't it? You've never forgiven me. It's been 10 years, Jason.
The passage of time does not heal all wounds or eradicate the past.
So you're still my judge and jury, and I still don't get a trial.
If I put you on trial, how would you plead, counselor? Not guilty by reason of insanity? There are rules you follow in life, Vincent. One of them is you don't defend your best friend's murderer for the sake of your damned career.
Who the hell are you to tell me what rules I should live by? You know what your problem is, Jason? You're pompous and judgmental, and you always were.
Then don't come to me to look for absolution. What you did was unconscionable.
Don't flatter yourself. The reason that I'm here is to tell you that despite the ridiculously high bail you managed to set for my client, he's raised the money.
Well, that is a surprise, isn't it? I thought your enormous legal fees were putting him in the poorhouse.
Well, fortunately, he has friends. Lots of friends with lots of money. And just for the record, Jason, about Paul, you can take that adolescent grudge to the grave with you. I hope you choke on it. Enjoy your meal.
I'm a doctor, Jake. Around people that die all the time, I should be able to handle this.
Well, it's not easy when it's your friend, you know?
What I think about most is how terrified she must have been. How could he do something like that? Why would he?
Well, something snapped and made him stab his wife with a carving knife. I don't know.
I keep racking my brain, trying to figure out if she said something at lunch or not.
Let it rest for a while. Something will come, huh? Yes, Jake.
Our friend Donnelly has managed to make bail.
You're kidding me. You can go crazy, kill your wife, promise not to do it again, and buy your way out? It's a great system we have.
I didn't call to debate the law with you.
Yeah, you know.
He's staying on a boat called the Skyhawk at the Alawai Yacht Harbor.
All right, got it. Alawai Yacht Harbor. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Donnelly made bail. I gotta get over there and check it out right away.
What's stopping you?
You, I gotta take you home.
No, the Alawai's not far. You just have to go see where he is, do your cop stuff, and then take me out to dinner.
All right. All right. All right, this is for you. And this one's for me.
I don't know, Jake. Somehow this just doesn't qualify as dinner.
Well, let's call it an hors d'oeuvre, all right? Here comes Novak.
Who's the big guy?
It's Novak's bodyguard.
Since when does a lawyer need a bodyguard?
He's an ordinary lawyer. There's Donnelly. Look, I'm gonna take you home, okay? Drop you off.
No, you don't have time. We've got to go. That's his house, isn't it?
You got it.
Why doesn't he turn a light on?
He doesn't want anyone to know that he's here. I'm gonna check it out. You stay right here, okay? Stay put.
Like a prowler. What can I say? You pay me to keep people away from here. That's all I was doing. That's it.
Oh, anyway, there he was, creeping around his house with a flashlight. I don't know what he was looking for, but he was looking for something.
I have enough of a case to try it. But if there's evidence we don't know about, I sure would like to know what it is.
Listen, if Donnelly's been sneaking around searching for it, don't you think he'll probably try it again?
Yeah, when he heard me fighting with that monster, he got spooked and he ran, so I think there's a pretty good chance he didn't find what he was looking for. I had HPD put a 24-hour tail on it.
I'll order another full investigation of the house and see what we come up with. One way or the other, we'll put that butcher behind bars where he belongs.
Yes, sir. The knives were kept in a drawer that was locked with a child safety mechanism.
Asking the court's indulgence, Your Honor, and with Sergeant Rafferty's kind assistance, I would like to present a demonstration to the jury.
Objection. What's this, a magic show? Permission to approach the bench, Your Honor?
Granted.
I fail to see the relevance.
Your Honor, this witness has established that the drawer in which the knives were kept was locked with a child safety device. The defendant, who was supposedly in a highly agitated, disassociated state of mind, had to open the device in order to get the knife with which he stabbed his wife.
This doesn't prove a thing. I renew my objection.
Lay your foundation, Mr. McCabe.
Premeditation, Your Honor. If this defendant had time to fumble with a child safety lock, he also had time to consider what he was doing and to stop himself.
I'll allow it. I'm going to allow Mr. McCabe's presentation in that it goes to the issue of premeditation.
Object again for the record.
So noted. Please proceed, Mr. McCabe.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sergeant Rafferty.
Sir.
Are you familiar with child safety locks?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever opened one before?
Sure. I have a 5-year-old daughter.
All right, Sergeant, please step down here, will you?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you 5 seconds to go to that drawer and to open it. Ready? Go. Stop. Thank you, Sergeant Rafferty. I think I've made my point, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we have shown that even with experience, it isn't easy to open up one of those things. A person has to take his time and give deliberate thought.
Gentlemen, we are out of time for this day. Court will recess and reconvene tomorrow morning at 10.
I've been Gerald Donnelly's business manager for 5 years, and the way that woman went through money was frightening.
Did you ever talk with Mr. Donnelly about his wife's excessive spending?
Sure. But he said he couldn't stop her. He said he'd rather bust his butt trying to keep up rather than face another one of her rages.
Sometimes I could hear her over there just screaming like some crazy woman. Dishes breaking, kids crying.
And what would he do when you would hear her, in your words, screaming like a crazy woman?
I don't know. I never heard him. Just her.
We invited them to a party. She was drinking quite a bit. Well, more than that. To tell you the truth, she was loaded. Anyway, the more she drank, the louder she got, until finally she threw a drink in his face.
And what did he do?
He just stood there. We were all shocked. It's embarrassing, you know?
Thank you, Mr. Nelson. Your witness.
I have no questions.
Very well,
Why aren't you cross-examining any of these people?
What do you want me to do, Derek? Call all those nice, respectable people liars? Haven't you learned anything about alienation of juries?
Yeah, but JL, he's making it seem as if Alicia Donnelly's responsible for her own death.
Well, you're finally catching on, aren't you? This isn't Gerald Donnelly's trial anymore. It's hers.
This court is now in recess.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jake. We followed Donnelly to his house again and searched him when he came out.
What'd you find, George?
Wallet, car keys, and pin money. Nothing from the house.
Damn. He's looking for something in that house. We gotta find it before he does. The defense is bringing in some heavy artillery, George, so you stay on him, hear me?
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, all right.
And during my 25 years as a psychiatrist, I have conducted, literally, hundreds of forensic examinations all over the world.
In the interest of time, Your Honor, the state is willing to acknowledge to this witness's credentials.
Thank you. Dr. Patton, what can you tell us about Alicia Marie Donnelly?
What I'm about to tell you came from hours of interviews. I spoke with friends, neighbors, and relatives of the Donnellys, and I spent a total of 12 hours speaking with the defendant. Now, based on all of this information, I was able to ascertain that Alicia Donnelly was a cold, materialistic woman. She...
Objection! Relevancy. What Mrs. Donnelly was or was not is not the issue here.
It goes directly to the cause of my client's mental state.
Overruled. You may answer, Dr. Patton.
This was a woman who believed that a man's sole function in life was to provide. Now, I'm sure this is a concept that every man comes up against at one time or another. But Alicia Donnelly took it to extremes. She was a user, a taker, a woman who demeaned and denigrated everything male. She badgered her husband non-stop.
What do you mean by badger, Dr. Patton?
She badgered her husband by nagging, crying, screaming, throwing violent tantrums both in private and in public. She would even withhold sex if she didn't get what she wanted.
And what was it that she wanted?
You name it, new cars, new clothes, European vacations, a house for her parents. She thought Christmas was 365 days a year, and the guy in the red suit was her husband.
Dr. Patton, what was the effect of the constant pressure on this poor man?
Objection!
Sustained. You will refrain from categorizing your client, Mr. Novak.
Of course, Your Honor. What was the effect of the constant pressure on Mr. Donnelly?
Well, you could liken it to the San Andreas fault. The pressure on the fault builds and builds, and then suddenly it fractures, and boom, earthquake.
Your Honor, I object to this whole line of testimony. At best, it's highly speculative. At worst, it's preposterous.
Mr. McCabe, you yourself have stated that this witness is an expert in his field. Now, he certainly has a right to express his professional opinion. I'm going to allow the man to testify in his own way. Now, please proceed.
Dr. Patton, what was the ultimate result of Alicia Donnelly's constant harassment of Gerald?
Object to the use of Mr. Donnelly's first name, Your Honor.
Sustained. Mr. Novak, you know better. Refer to your client as Mr. Donnelly.
Forgive me, Your Honor. Would you like me to repeat the question?
The ultimate result of Mr. Donnelly's haranguing? Well, you remember the San Andreas fault. Mr. Donnelly experienced an emotional earthquake of catastrophic proportions. He literally came apart. He lost all sense of reason, all knowledge of right and wrong, and in my opinion cannot be legally responsible for anything that he did.
Mr. McCabe?
Well,
I can't believe what I'm hearing in there. I knew Alicia Donnelly. She was nothing like that.
it must be difficult for you to listen to this.
I don't know how that doctor can assassinate her based on information he got from a man who's admitted to killing her. Isn't that hearsay?
It is, but the law permits him to base his expert opinion on it. What you're learning here today, Carrie, is that what comes out of a courtroom isn't always the purest form of justice.
Call your next witness, Mr. Novak.
The defense calls Gerald Donnelly.
I loved her. Maybe too much. I just wanted her to love me back. But there was no pleasing her. Nothing I did, nothing was ever enough. We were fighting all the time. She'd throw things at me, anything she could lay her hands on. She'd scratch me.
You mean to say your wife physically attacked you?
Yes. I could feel the pressure building and building it, getting tighter and tighter inside my head. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. Started losing weight. Couldn't concentrate at work. I'd have these nightmares, really awful, horrible dreams. And then I just couldn't take it anymore.
Tell us what happened, Gerald.
Your Honor.
Mr. Novak, I've warned you.
Tell us what happened.
We were fighting again. About money. She was shrieking at me and shrieking and shouting and cursing, and I just felt something hot. Red hot. Just explode inside me. I don't know how to describe it.
You're doing fine.
The next thing I knew, I was standing over her, and she was dead.
God forgive me, I didn't mean to kill her. I never wanted that. I just wanted her to shut up.
Would you like to take a moment, Mr. Donnelly?
You're buying it, aren't you? Just like the jury.
I don't know, Mr. McCabe. Maybe it could happen like that. Maybe the guy just snapped.
I'm thinking if I put myself in Donnelly's shoes, maybe something will pop, you know what I mean?
I got the medical report, a diagram pinpointing the wounds.
All right, let's start with this now. Now tell me where the wife was stabbed.
Okay, penetrating laceration to the upper right chest and to the supraclavicular fossa.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, the next one was
next.
a stab wound to the right anterior chest, penetrating the fourth intercostal space.
Where is that?
Here.
All right, it's here.
Right.
Okay, now what?
She must have managed to turn away.
Yeah.
Penetrating laceration to the posterior chest with knife still in place. It was 15 inches deep. It was a big knife.
All right, posterior, that's back, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fall.
Fall?
Down.
Where?
On the floor.
Why?
You're dead, fall down.
Okay.
You're dead, right?
Right.
Okay, now, I have to make it look like I was stabbed too, right? Okay, but I need the knife to do that, right? Let me see that. Okay. Yeah, the knife is stuck, okay. The knife is stuck. Okay. I hear a car, right? Knife is stuck, I gotta stab myself. I have to get another knife. So where do I go to do that? What do I do?
I can't tell you, I'm dead.
I go to the knife drawer, right? Yeah, I go to the knife drawer. I go to the knife drawer. I got a problem with the safety latch, right? But I get through that. Now.
Can I get up now?
Yeah. What does it, Donnelly's wound? What were Donnelly's wounds?
Well, let's see. Superficial laceration to the right side of the chest, penetration stopped by the fifth rib.
Fifth rib.
Here.
It's here, okay. All right, next. No.
Superficial laceration to the right abdomen.
Be down here.
Puncture wound 5 centimeters deep, posterior surface of chest. Posterior surface.
That's back.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Right here. Huh.
How could that happen? Look at that. Look at that here. This guy's either got rubber arms or he's a contortionist. All right, let's just say I managed to stab myself in the back, all right? Let's say that. All right, so here, I'm left here with a knife, right? A bloody knife. Car is out there. I hear a car door slam. Somebody's walking up the driveway, right? Panic. We get rid of the knife. Wash the knife off, put it back. Put it back in the knife drawer. Makes sense. Wash the knife off. Okay, well then what I tried to do is I tried to duplicate the stabbing pattern on Donnelly, okay? And I noticed he had a wound in the middle of his back. You can't stab yourself in the middle of the back. Hell, I can't even scratch myself back there, okay? Now, when I got to the sink, that's when it hit me. Donnelly's hands were covered with blood, right? There was blood everywhere. Blood on the wall. There's blood on the door. Blood on the doorknob. This guy had his handprints all over the place, did he not?
Yes. And was there blood on the sink, the faucets?
Okay. That's what bothered me. I remembered the police reports, okay? I checked those reports. They did not find any blood on the sink. Now, this man was covered with blood. Bloody hands, a bloody knife, and he went to that faucet to wash that knife off.
there would be blood on the knobs. I pulled the hot and cold knobs. I took them down to forensics. Forensics could not find a trace of blood inside or out.
But Donnelly never went near the sink. You thinking what I'm thinking?
Damn right I am.
Well, that's great. But we need more. We can't pull a jury out of deliberations on pure speculation.
See, the key to this whole thing is whatever he was looking for in the house, you see?
And he couldn't find it, even after searching the house. Why?
Damn, wait a minute. Maybe it wasn't in the house. Maybe whatever he was looking for was taken out during the initial investigation by HPD. Maybe.
Did you see this digital diary?
Yeah, no, I checked that already. I checked all that, names, addresses, phone numbers. I did all that.
You checked the memo on the calendar?
Yeah, no, I did everything.
I wonder if this thing has a secret file.
What do you mean?
Information you can access only if you have a password.
Well, I don't think Donnelly's going to give us the password, you know?
Maybe we can crack it. Passwords are usually pretty common. People pick things that are easy to remember. Give me some information from the files. You know, like his birthday.
April 19th.
April 19th. No. His kids. Give me his son's name.
Son's name is Daryl, D-A-R-Y-L, no E.
Daughter.
Diane, D-I-A-N-E.
Jake?
Yeah.
You've been called out of deliberation to hear further evidence from the state of Hawaii. Now, this is a highly irregular occurrence, but this evidence could have a bearing on your verdict. Proceed.
For the record, defense renews its objection, Your Honor.
So noted. Call your witness, Mr. McCabe.
Go get him.
The state recalls Delia Rutherford to the stand.
You're still under oath, Ms. Rutherford?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you a digital diary with the name Gerald Donnelly engraved on the metal case. We'd like to mark this People's Exhibit number 34 for identification, please. You've seen Mr. Donnelly use this diary, haven't you?
Yes, I guess so.
Does the following entry mean anything to you? Pacific World Airlines, flight number 602, 11 a.m., September 5.
No. Why should it?
Oh, I could think of several reasons why it should. Miss Rutherford, according to this voucher, you purchased tickets for that flight with a credit card bearing your name.
My credit card was stolen. Anyone could have purchased those tickets.
Stolen. Stolen. And this thief not only entered the flight information in Gerald Donnelly's diary, but purchased the tickets using both your names for a date approximately 1 month after Alicia Donnelly was murdered.
Objection. Prosecution is badgering the witness.
Overruled.
You were planning to leave town together, weren't you? Now, come on, Miss Rutherford, no more lies. You were having an affair with the defendant, weren't you? You and Gerald Donnelly were lovers.
Yes.
Will you speak up so that the court can hear this?
Yes!
You were the third person in the kitchen with Gerald and Alicia Donnelly that afternoon, were you not? You were the person who stabbed Gerald Donnelly and washed off the knife. The person whose hands were not bloody.
He loved me. And she knew it, but she would not let him go.
So the two of you decided to kill her.
said she wouldn't let him near the children if he left. That was her hold. She knew how much he loved those kids. We had to kill her. Don't you see? It was the only way we could be together.
Congratulations, Jason. That was quite a performance. Flamboyant, passionate.
I just do my job, Vincent.
You might not like hearing this, Jason, but I see a lot of myself in you. That's a compliment that I don't often throw around.